Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to rank your Fiverr gig on the first page. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that has 11 tips to rank Fiverr gig on the first page. So the first one is spend time in getting Fiverr SEO right. Fiverr SEO revolves around finding relevant keywords for your Fiverr gig and using them in your gig title and metadata. These keywords tell Fiverr search bots what your gig is all about. Analyzing keywords is how Fiverr tells a content writing gig apart from a design focused gig. The second tip is be more available online. Ranking your gig on the first page on Fiverr depends on a lot of filters. It's not just about your gig, you need to optimize your approach based on the filters too. One of those filters is the availability of the sellers. As shown in the image below, sellers have an option to switch a button and see the listing of only those sellers who are online. The third tip is target your seller level. Once the buyer type in their search query, they have an option to choose specific sellers by using filters. Some buyers might want to choose top rated or level sellers, in which case, a new seller won't stand a chance to rank. List all languages you speak. The above image shows that buyers can filter out sellers based on the languages they speak. So, as you can see, guys, the other tips are optimize your gig for a more niche audience base, target the right budget range, set an express 24-hour delivery time, opt for the right service inclusion, try to get positive review rating, increase the number of orders delivered, and lastly, maintain a low average response time. Ranking your gig on the first page of Fiverr can drive tons of highly relevant buyers to your gig page by increasing your impression count. But beyond that, you need to create a stellar Fiverr gig that has an attractive gig gallery that increases the click through rate and all information that a buyer might need to place an order. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.